Sunday, January 7th. This is day 7. Our breakfast is leftovers. You can see we have a few pieces of the fermented oatmeal blueberry bake, the French toast casserole. We have a couple of our English muffins left with a couple eggs with cheese, a piece of sausage, tomato frittata, the spinach sausage bake, which there's some right here and here. And then we also have some regular bread left and some sourdough bread left if anyone wants some. Tonight for supper, we are having leftovers. Over here, we have some leftover Impossible Taco Pie. Southwest stew that we can add cheese, hot sauce, sour cream to. Right here, our creamy vegetable soup with chicken and a half slice of toasted bread.